What's up, everyone, and welcome back. I don't know if you guys can tell because I'm getting pelted with snow, but we have got our first snowfall. They just come up through and scrape the roads a bit, but it's starting to cover over. And naturally, school was on the regular schedule, so yeah. Good to know things haven't changed since I graduated. Even though I wish it would. Heck, have you ever been in that fearful situation of holding your breath and clenching that damn seat? You know what if it... Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys this. And I don't know if you can see, but it is still snowing. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, there we go. Get my ass back out through here. But yeah, beautiful. She got our first snowstorm. It's snowing a lot harder than this earlier. And the road was actually covered there for a while. But below freezing, not even that stuff I used to coat our brand new road. Look at that, brand new. As you can see, it's starting to stick to the sides again. It's absolutely cold. But me being me and Storm Fanatic, so I'd bring you guys out with me. I'll do some work while it's all snowing. There we go. You guys there. Doesn't help that I'm already sick. But you guys watch. Oops, sorry. Let's get you down one. There. Now I gotta calm you. It's cold. Yeah. It is so cold. Oh, fudge. I bet you that's more of a rock. I don't need rock. Cold out here. Not even halfway bullshitting. It's cold. I know you guys love. Sorry about that, but I know you guys absolutely love my storm videos. So I am bringing to you the first snowstorm of 25. It's going straight to the ground. It's going to get cold and temperature going to drop. I like it ass ain't already. Like it ass ain't already. Okay. Show you. Let's look here. As you can tell, it's already starting to creep back up the road again. And it's boring.
Snow got bad. I got snow for the only 37, which turned it on last night. Well, 38, and then you got 37 a few minutes.
It is really, really cold. I'm not even kidding. I know I just posted the temperature, and this is the kitten's first official snow. This is something else, but I know you guys love my storm videos, and I love chasing them, even if I have to do it from my house right now, but is what it is, yo. Hey, Cinnamon. Hey, Cinnamon. Look who joined me. It's Cinnamon. There you go, Cinnamon. There you go, Cinnamon. Yeah, it's your baby Cinnamon. His first winter. It's a Cinnamon. Oh, you gonna kiss it? Huh. See the cinnamon eyeballs. That's too cute. You are cute, Mr. Cinnamon. I'm the only one brave enough to come out in the snow so far. Oh, the others are now. Brownie is absolutely covered in snow. Hello, Brownie. The brown kitten is now speckled white. Look at that. They're all coming out. All the kitties on their first snow. Except Shadow. Look at those clouds, y'all. Their shit ain't done. There's the road currently. They scraped it. So it's not as bad. I'm gonna put a clip in right here on what the roads did look like before they scraped it. Yep, still have more work to do out here, but still snowing. Slightly chilled out a bit. And they have decided to release the schools at 11 o'clock. So that's some good news. I'm just having to switch over the air conditioner with the heat tapes. Heaps right now. Oh, because we need to keep that water from freezing. So, unplug my air conditioner. Ain't gonna need it at no 26 degree. And plug that in. Okay, that's got that taken care of. Got it plugged. Well, I'm gonna hop off here. If anything else major happens, I'll hop on here and let you guys know. Till then, see you next time.